Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to Levitas, your YouTube channel for expert advice on weight loss, health, and wellness. Today, we are going into a crucial topic, the 7 foods you should never eat. These items are lurking in pantries and on grocery store shelves, but their harmful effects on our health are often overlooked. Stick around as we uncover the truth behind these detrimental foods and provide practical tips for healthier alternatives. These unhealthy foods, if we can even call them foods, are mostly made in a laboratory almost in its totality or in most of its ingredients. They might have a tasty flavor and not produce an instantaneous health problem, but remember that they are health poisons that will make you sick in time. Health problems might take some time to develop, could take months, years, or even decades. If your regular food plan is basically filled with these detrimental foods, it's a matter of time for some health problem to appear. So, here are the 7 worst foods that you should avoid at all costs. Food number 1, trans fats. Trans fats, mostly found in processed and fried foods, these are notorious for their negative impact on heart health. They raise bad cholesterol levels and increase the risk of cardiovascular disease. Avoid foods like fried chicken, French fries, pastries, and packaged snacks that contain trans fats. In other words, avoid seed oils at all costs. Instead, opt for healthier cooking oils like extra virgin olive oil, avocado oil, MCT oil, or even coconut oil, and incorporate whole foods like nuts, seeds, and avocados into your diet. These natural sources of nutrients and healthy fats will nourish your body and support optimal health. Also, consider having an omega-3 supplement, since omega-3 helps with reducing inflammation, in preventing heart and brain health problems, and it can also help to accelerate your metabolism, creating a better situation for improved weight loss. Food number 2, sugary beverages. Next up are sugary beverages like soda, sweetened teas, sports drinks, and fruit juices. These drinks are packed with added sugars that can produce a chaos on our blood sugar levels, produce insulin resistance, and contribute to weight gain. Not to mention, they provide minimal to absolutely no nutritional value at all. By cutting back on sugary beverages and opting for water, herbal tea, or infused water with fresh fruits and herbs, you'll stay hydrated and energized without the negative side effects of excess sugar consumption. Instead of using sugar, try using healthier options. Here are some great examples: monk fruit, stevia, allulose, erythritol, and xylitol. These sweeteners will not elevate blood sugar and insulin levels, so they are a much healthier option that will help you with your sweet tooth. You may use them in your beverages, sweet treats, or even dessert recipes. Food number 3, refined grains. Refined grains such as white bread, white rice, and pasta have been stripped of their fiber and nutrients during processing. As a result, they cause rapid spikes in blood sugar levels, insulin, and offer very little satiety. Remember that having high insulin spikes in your blood can worsen insulin resistance. Cravings diminish your weight loss efforts and produce several health issues or worsen a whole lot of health problems. Be careful with whole grain consumption as well, since most of them can promote chronic inflammation and poor gut health. So, if you are planning of having grains, you might swap out refined grains for whole grains in very controlled quantities, like quinoa, which is rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals. This nutrient-dense food provides sustained energy, promote digestive health, and support overall well-being. Also, be careful to soak your quinoa in water the night before you cook it. This interesting process will help to get rid of anti-nutrients, which can keep you from absorbing the vitamins and minerals from your food. Keeping yourself active in the days that you consume grains is an effective way to maintain a healthy weight. So don't forget your daily training. Food number 4, artificial sweeteners. While artificial sweeteners may seem like a healthier and low-calorie alternative to sugar, they come with their own set of risks. Scientific studies have linked artificial sweeteners to weight gain, insulin resistance, prediabetes, diabetes, metabolic syndrome, the disruption of gut microbiota, and even several types of cancer. Instead of reaching for artificially sweetened products, satisfy your sweet tooth with natural alternatives. As we have already mentioned before, stevia, monk fruit, allulose, erythritol, and xylitol are great options to satisfy your sweet cravings and keep yourself happy. These natural sweeteners provide sweetness without the negative health effects of sugar and artificial additives. Also, pay attention to food labels, since most of these artificial sweeteners are hidden in your grocery items. And remember that low-calorie is not a synonym of healthy. Food number 5, highly processed snacks. Highly processed snacks, including chips, crackers, and cookies, are often packed with unhealthy ingredients like refined grains, added sugars, trans fats, and artificial additives. These empty-calorie foods provide little to absolutely no nutritional value and can easily lead to overeating, weight gain, and health issues. Instead, choose whole foods that satisfy your hunger like nuts, seeds, Greek yogurt, kefir, or fresh fruits and vegetables with hummus or nut butter for a satisfying and nutritious dessert. These nutrient-dense options will nourish your body and keep you feeling satisfied for a longer time in between meals. Food number 6, fast food. As we continue, fast food has become a pillar in many people's diets due to its convenience and affordability. However, these meals are typically high in calories, unhealthy fats, and sodium, and low in nutrients. Regular consumption of fast food has been linked to chronic inflammation, obesity, heart disease, high blood pressure, insulin resistance, prediabetes, diabetes, dysbiosis, cancer, and other chronic health conditions. Home food is always better, so instead of relying on fast food, prioritize home-cooked meals made with whole, nutrient-dense ingredients. By cooking at home, you'll have absolute and total control over the ingredients and portion sizes, allowing you to nourish your body with healthy ingredients and support your health. And at the same time, avoiding all those health-deteriorating foods that can only destroy your health. Food number 7, artificially flavored snacks. Many snacks on the market are artificially flavored, meaning they contain synthetic chemicals designed to mimic natural flavors, making emphasis in the word synthetic once again. An important key information to remember is that all foods that are designed or created in a laboratory will always have notable side effects when it comes to your health, long-term or even short-term too. These snacks often contain a large list of additives, preservatives, and artificial colors to enhance their taste and appearance. However, these additives have been linked to various health issues, including allergies, hyperactivity in children, and disruption of the hormonal balance. Instead of indulging in artificially flavored snacks, opt for whole, minimally processed foods that provide genuine flavors, satiety, and nutritional benefits. Choose foods like high-quality proteins, herbs, fresh fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds to support your health and well-being. You can even get on in cooking your own desserts by using healthy ingredients and the healthy sweeteners that we have already discussed earlier in the video. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, there you have it, friends. The 7 foods you should avoid at all costs for better health, weight loss, and well-being. By applying this information, making simple swaps, and incorporating more whole, nutrient-rich foods into your diet, you can reduce fat weight, protect your health, and optimize your overall wellness. Remember, there is always a way to enjoy your treats in a healthy way. You just need to find the path to follow. Thank you for tuning in to Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences. We love hearing from you. Your support is immensely appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right foods and stay away from these 7 foods no one should ever eat. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. Stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.